And when we originally kind of thought through and designed knowledge automation, we thought about it much more as like a starting now, going forward mindset. Review cases that come in, spot trends as they start to build, and very quickly and rapidly get new articles published, which is really like around that KCS methodology and mindset. Then customers started really wanting to use this more as like a support intelligence mindset, in thinking through, hey, we really want to understand where do the gaps in our knowledge base live. So in that, we started to go further back and say, hey, let's take a look at your last 3 months, last 6 months of case data and start to identify trends. When you do that, then it becomes a different problem, because now instead of having 5, 10, 15 articles a week based off of the trends, you could have 100 articles. And then it's, as you said, how do you prioritize those articles? So we started to implement things like rolling case clusters and seeing how many cases is this in the beginning, starting to articulate and map to how the company thinks about things. So often businesses we work with have a standard kind of cost per case close metric. So we can say, hey, 100 cases have been around this times your cost per case close. This is the value opportunity. I think that becomes really interesting. At the end of the day, the goal is that you do not have a backlog of articles. What we want to get organizations to is to a point where SMEs are able to very quickly get alerted, review an article, push it live, so that, in the cycle of hours or days, you are able to identify that a problem has taken place. That could be as little as, we received 4 tickets about this issue. Instead of in the old world saying, now we need to go and train agents around this, that just gets pushed into your self-service experience. If customers come in and are talking to agents, the agents have it accessible, and it just increases the level of support across the board.